How to Start an Adult Daycare in Louisiana, your 2026 guide. If you've wondered if you can start one, the answer is yes. Families need safe daytime support, and here's your fast, step-by-step roadmap. Chapter 1. Legal Requirements. First, confirm your license type with the Louisiana Department of Health and read the administrative code. Then, prep your application, focusing on key pillars like staffing ratios, staff training, participant rights, and safety. Schedule a pre-licensing chat with LDH to clarify inspection requirements. Chapter 2. Business Plan and Funding. Draft a business plan covering your mission, services, target market, and 24-month financial projections. For funding, explore personal savings, SBA-backed loans, Louisiana economic development programs, and healthcare grants. Align your budget with your licensing timeline so investors see a clear path to opening. Chapter 3. Staffing and Operations. Hire for key roles like CNAs for daily living activities and an activity lead. Build your onboarding with competency checklists covering CPR, first aid, and dementia care basics. Culture matters. Set clear roles, pay fair wages, and use recognition to reduce turnover. Chapter 4. Marketing and Evaluation. Partner with local clinics, hospitals, and senior centers. Launch a clean website with a Google business profile. When marketing, lead with outcomes like engagement, safety, and caregiver relief. To evaluate your success, track attendance, engagement, and caregiver satisfaction. Chapter 5. 2026 Realities. Be prepared. Hiring is tough, wages must be livable, and licensing takes time. Burnout is real, so build backup plans for staffing, illness, and transportation. Validate demand in your area, then scale. Chapter 6. Inspection. Ready documents. Before inspection, get LDH's checklist. Have your documents ready. Admission plans, staffing schedules, safety protocols, and daily activity logs. Your written policies must match your daily practice. Chapter 7. Map your license path, secure funding, and hire your core staff. Want hands-on help? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.